Hi friends, in this tutorial I will show you how to make this cute candy cane inspired beaded bracelet step by step. The designer's red seed beads and clear seed beads to create a festive Christmas look, with pearl beads placed in the center for a soft, elegant touch. The pattern resembles holiday candy, making it perfect for Christmas outfit, gifts, or seasonal accessories. To make the bracelet, I use the following sizes of the beads. 11 Xerox clear seed beads, 11 Xerox red seed beads, 6 millimeters white pearl beads. Also, you need one beading thread size 11. Thread the needle. I use the Wildfire beading thread point oil 6 inches thick. The thread length is 60 inches long. You need to clasp of your choice. Let's get started. Add the clasp on the needle and go down on the thread with it, leaving 1 inch in thread. Pick up 1 clear seed bead and go down on the thread with it beside the clasp. Make 3 knots. Go with needle through the clear seed bead. Go with needle through the clasp. Go again through the clear seed bead. Cut off the end thread. Pick up 1 red SB, 1 clear SB, 1 red SB, 1 clear SB. Pick up 1 pearl bead. Pick up 1 clear SB, 1 red SB, 1 clear SB, 1 red SB. Pick up 1 clear SB, the middle clear SB. Go with needle through the clear seed bead. Go with needle through the red seed bead, clear seed bead, red seed bead, and clear seed bead. Go through the pearl bead. Pick up 1 clear seed bead, 1 red seed bead, 1 clear seed bead, and 1 red seed bead. Pick up one clear seed bead, middle clear seed bead. Pick up one red seed bead, one clear seed bead, one red seed bead, and one clear seed bead. Go with needle through the pearl bead. Go with needle through the next 9 seed beads. Pick up one red seed bead. Go with needle through the next 4 seed beads and top clear seed bead. Go through the next 4 seed beads. Pick up one red seed bead. Go through the next 4 seed beads. Go through the top clear seed bead. You made a unit of the bracelet. Pick up 4 seed beads, red, clear seed beads. Pick up one pearl bead. Pick up 4 seed beads, clear red seed bead. Go with needle through the clear top seed bead. Go with needle through the next 4 seed beads, red clear seed bead. Go through the pearl bead. Pick up 4 seed beads, clear red. Pick up one seed bead, the middle clear seed bead. Pick up for seed beads red, clear, red, clear. Go with needle through the pearl bead. Go with needle through the next 9 seed beads. Pick up 1 red seed bead. Go through the next 4 seed beads. Go through the top clear seed bead. Go through the next 4 seed beads. Pick up 1 red seed bead. Go with needle through the next 5 seed beads. You made 2 units of the bracelet. Continue adding beads until you reach the desired length of the bracelet. My bracelet length is 7 inches without the clasps, and I use 15 white pearl beads to make it. Add the clasp on the needle and go down on the thread with it. Go with needle through the top clear seed bead. Go through the clasp. Go through the top clear seed bead. Go again through the clasp. Go through the clear seed bead. Make a knot. Go with needle through few beads. Make a knot. Go again through few seed beads. Cut off the thread. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get my upcoming tutorials. Have fun beading!